Hello, I'm Mark McCreary, co-chair of the Privacy and Data Security Practice Group at Fox Rothschild, a national law firm with 950 lawyers. I'm also an instructor with Surgent. My most recent program, called Anatomy of a Ransomware Event and Incident Response, will take you inside an actual ransomware event. With incidents like the Colonial Pipeline attack, heightened threat to United States infrastructure such as the power grid, and threats from state actors like China and Russia, the risk of ransomware has never been higher than it is right now. During this presentation, I will discuss topics such as what is ransomware? How do they actually get into our systems, and what does it look like? Actually describe through examples the statistics and how ransomware is an ever-growing threat facing you, as well as anybody that's on a computer. It affects both businesses and individuals, and I will discuss how they differentiate and how you can avoid them in both contexts. I'll discuss the new risks and concerns with remote working and COVID-19. Everything changed a little bit, and it really did increase the danger we have out there with ransomware affecting us on an individual basis. I'll go through the ransomware infection process, technically how it works, how the actual malware gets on computers and what it does once it's there. I'll talk about incident response protocol, what that looks like when you actually have something that's affecting your business or even you individually. Who's involved? What considerations do you have to have? And as part of that, I'll discuss the legal implications, which can be very severe, and actually what you need to worry about from a requirements point of view when you do have an incident of ransomware affecting you. I'll talk about business considerations during the response, whether you can operate, what you do in lieu of that, and what impact that can have from not being able to operate. I will talk about breach notification obligations that can go to your customers, your business partners, your employees, even regulators, and how once you have ransomware and you get rid of it, either by buying a key or getting around it, it doesn't end there. You still have to deal with notifying individuals in many contexts. And finally, maybe the most important thing is to talk about steps to prevent ransomware, what you can actually do to make yourself safer and your business safer. Time permitting, we will talk about a tabletop where we go through an actual event and see what that looks like. And again, I just want to make sure you understand that this really does affect all businesses. Anybody that's on a computer, even if you are protected by a very robust IT department, if they want to get on your computer, they're going to. So it's really important for all businesses and us individually to understand what these risks are and to understand how ransomware occurs and affects us in our daily lives. So I look forward to hearing from you and speaking with you during the presentation.